If you are older than 30 years old, you have probably heard about and are fascinated concerning the ideas of free or nearly free energy production. You are thinking about perpetual motion machines. These hypothetical machines produce more energy than it takes to start them working, and you do not need to apply more energy to keep them running. Throughout human history, many inventors have pondered and attempted to produce perpetual motion machines. Certainly, though, none of these fellows were able to mass produce cheap electrical, non polluting eco energy using what they may have considered to be perpetual motion machines. Some art pieces will first disappear to be able to stay perpetually in motion. Upon closer inspection, though, you will see that these devices begin their motions using the external application of light and wind. This is acceptable if you only need to apply light and wind currents once. However, when the wind stops blowing and the sun goes down, these devices' motion ceases. Some so-called perpetual motion artworks incorporate internal magnets. However, to get the motion going, you must install batteries. When the batteries completely discharge, the motion ceases. I guess you would call this electromagnetic electricity, but it is weak. Of course, certain European and Japanese trains run via electromagnetic energy, and I assume this is clean, non-polluting eco-energy. However, the United States has yet to implement the use of electromagnetic energy in their trains. Could it be that the Europeans and Japanese are not mentioning an essential polluting component, thereby allowing their trains to be unfeasible to American railroad designers? Currently, though, perpetual motion machines have their proper niche, science fiction. In the same category as perpetual motion machines are frictionless engines, hyperdrives, warp drives, wormholes, stargates, and superstrings. Nonetheless, many current inventions started out as science fiction ideas. I and you probably like the idea of perpetual money, and of course perpetual energy. In the near future, you and I may use inexpensive perpetual motion machines to power our flying automobiles, just like the cartoon Jetsons. On that particular day, humankind may realise the best eco-energy source ever.